Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a short review on this helmet from Thousand. This is for $145. It's called the Chapter MIPS helmet. I just saw this about a month ago and really liked the design, so I reached out and they sent me one. I've been looking for a helmet that fits lower on my huge noggin, and most helmets are top heavy and I just look like I'm wearing like Abraham Lincoln's helmet. And this is the first helmet where I don't feel like that. It comes down pretty low, as you can see, close to the ears, and really is quite comfortable. I just like the look of it too. I'm always looking for a cool, nice looking helmet. I've had it for about 3 weeks and I've already put over 300 miles using it. And let me tell you guys, there is a difference between a $20 Amazon helmet and something like this. It is lightweight, it is breathable, a lot of good things with this helmet. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. First off, it comes in 3 colors and in 3 sizes. Now each size has a different weight. For small, it's 360 grams, medium is 370, and large is 410. And as you would have guessed, I do have the large, which is probably half the weight as the one that I have been using. It has an integrated dial fit system, and as far as comfort, it is hard to beat. I've tried about 5 helmets over the last 3 years, and this is by far the most comfortable one. Now this has what they call active ventilation. There's 8 strategically placed vents from front to back. One thing that I was looking for in a helmet was just a quick release, a magnetic fastener. This has that. Just one hand, you can easily put it on or take it off. And it's got nylon straps, so very comfortable feeling straps. As you can see in the front, it does have a visor, and that does come in different colors. This is the matte black one. It's got the MIPS safety system, and that basically just reduces the rotational motion if impact does occur. And if you do have an accident, they have free accident replacement. One of my favorite features is the pop lock. You can just pop out where it says 1000 on the side, and that way you can run a cord or a wire through that to lock it to your bike. And then it also comes with a multi-use magnetic light, and that is a 50 lumen light, so very bright. And then it has 2 modes, either constant or flashing. When it's on constant, it will last 1 hour. When it's flashing, 2 hours. And there is a USB cable to recharge that, which takes 2 hours. So anyway, that wraps up the review. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of the helmet. The look, the comfort, it is all good. It is pricey, but in my opinion, it is well worth it. If you want to pick it up, I've got the link in the description. Also, be sure to check out my channel, electricrevolutionreviews.com. There you can find all my reviews based on price and capability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.